What's good, YouTube? It's your boy back in the cut. You know it's me, man. OG Ryan. Join the OG family, bro. We keep gaining people, bro. That's so exciting. That makes me so happy, bro. We keep adding people to our family, bro. Keep sharing the word, bro. I swear, every time I get on YouTube, we keep gaining subscribers, bro. That's what I want to see. Thank y'all so much, bro. But hey, guys, how are y'all doing today? If you're new, join the crew. It's nice to meet you. I'm OG Ryan. I hope you're having a blessed day. But yeah, guys, so today, to be honest with you, I don't even know what kind of video I want to make today. I'm really stuck between like doing like a would you rather, or we're just like talking to y'all about something that, like I've been through, like an experience, so it would help y'all out. So I guess I could talk to you about, mm, we could talk about school, I guess. So basically, we could talk about school. We could talk about. I could give y'all like my tips and tricks on how to graduate. Does that sound good? Yep, it does. All right, let's get into it. All right, so basically, my tips and tricks to graduate high school, I would say are. Well, to be honest with you, I know a ton of people that would always skip, always be tardy. I even know some like, people that had to like do summer school or like, you know, that type of stuff. But so yeah, if you want to avoid having to stay after or make up hours or not graduate with your class, if you want to avoid all those things, then just follow these tips and tricks, okay? This is what I want you to do. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a perfect student. I'm just saying you need to be, you know what I'm saying? You can't be always absent, because that's how you rack up your absences and that's how you go to AC. And you don't want to do that because then you'll lose your exemptions. But who am I kidding? I swear like the majority of us probably lost them anyways, since you couldn't have like more than like two absences, right? But it's probably changed now, but I don't know. So yeah, that's a big thing too. Go to class, bro. Don't always be skipping. That's gonna get you caught up. Um, don't always be failing. Like if you really had to choose between homework, the quizzes, or tests, for me, I found out if I would do good on homeworks and tests, depending on like if it was like 50%, like 40. It depends what the ratio is. But for me, I found if I did good on the homeworks and quizzes, I could have some, leeway on the test. That sounds bad, but hey, I'm just giving y'all my tips and tricks. But yeah, make sure you study, and if you don't study, make sure the people around you studied, okay? That's a big thing. You have to do good. You can't be failing. Do whatever it is in your power to pass. Just don't get caught or get in trouble. And I'm not promoting cheating or any of that stuff, but I'm just saying you can't be out here failing, bro. It's not a good look. And if you do catch yourself in that boat, you better make sure you better be going to them tutorings. You better make sure you be getting them answers to your homeworks. You better make sure, bro, because you can't be failing classes, having to make it or retake it again. That doesn't look right. You can't be like, let's say for example, you have to retake geometry or something like that. You failed geometry, then you have to redo it. Dude, you're gonna be stuck with sophomores being a junior. Do you want that? No. I remember I had pre-cal, and that's a pretty tough class. And then I had it. Then I had the class, and yeah, there were like some juniors in there, but they were just geniuses, like no cap. I remember there was this one girl. She was pretty fun. I think I still follow her on Twitter, but that's not the point. That's not the point. But yeah, she was pretty cool. I remember she was hella smart, bro. She would always get 80s and 90s on that crap. And then I would be looking at my shit like getting like, not passing grades all the time. But first semester I did. I was killing that hoe, bro. Can't tell me shit. Just second semester, she really just dropped the shit on me, bro. She really just overwhelmed me. But that's a different story. It's always good to challenge yourself. Just don't do it to the point where is almost impossible, because let's talk about it. I was doing pre-cal. I had the calculator. I was doing my homework. The notes didn't make sense. I would go to tutoring. I would ask my friends. I would even go on YouTube, bro. I was literally at YouTube at home, how to. I don't remember what the shit was called, but I remember being on YouTube on my mobile device, But yeah, you gotta grind for that stuff, bro. You can't be no slacker. But I'm gonna tell y'all the easiest classes that I know right off the dome. So for me, that is, I'd say my strengths were probably not advanced math and science. I was alright in science. I was alright. English, I could get by. Why did I just do the running thing? I don't know. But yeah, those ones are pretty clean. Easiest classes, Algebra 1. Geometry was okay. Algebra 2 was a breeze. Pre-cal, that was the hardest one. And as far as English goes, it's really just more essays, longer essays, short answers, tests, vocab tests, that type stuff. OMG, bro. I hated having to do those vocab tests, bro. Oh my god. You have no idea, bro. I remember I would be like in English 1, English 2. I would be like trying to cheat. I would have like the list of words with the definition. I would like put it under my backpack or some shit. And I would like move it over just so I could peek real quick. Or I would like, what would I do? I think I'd put the list underneath the one that I was writing on. That way I could just move them real quick and look while she's not looking. Maybe I should make a video on how to cheat. I don't know. I feel like y'all would fuck with that. I mean, I don't care. I just want y'all to pass. But yeah, guys, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't cheat. That is so bad. Unless you really have to. But yeah, just don't let your mama know, or don't let nobody know that you're doing it, cause people be snitching sometimes. I know a lot of people that got caught up with that stuff. Even cheating on the EOCs, bro. The EOC. Hell no. Then they had to retake the hoe a second time, like a couple months after, like the following summer or something like that. Like, bro, don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Don't have your phone out. Like, don't do that stuff, bro. Don't be trying to be sneaky about it. Those couple minutes of be on your phone isn't gonna be worth it, bro. Just wait till your test is done, or wait till she says, "Okay, now like, all y'all are done. You can get your phones." And if she's being a little bitch, then I guess you just gotta wait it out, bro. But yo, let's see, that's what. Dang, bro, that was like a little mini rant, bro. I didn't even catch myself. Y'all should have said something. I'm just kidding. Y'all can't say shit. I'm just playing with y'all. But yeah, guys, that's probably gonna be my tips and tricks on how to graduate high school. Yeah, that's really it. You don't gotta be in no AP classes. You could be in regular, bro. Just because everyone else is in AP classes, you don't have to do it. They're probably trying to get into like 4-year colleges. If you just want to go to like a community college, then you're all good for what you need to do. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone else has their own agenda they want to accomplish. Just do what you want to do. It doesn't matter. Don't let others influence where you want to go to school. That type of thing. Don't let them influence what major you want to do. You're the one that's going to be working the job. You know what I'm saying? You're the one that's going to be putting in 40 hours a week or whatever it is you want to do. You're the one doing that, not your friends, not your parents. So do what you want to do. It's real life out here, bro. But with that being said, make sure you can support yourself with whatever you're trying to do. That's a big thing too. You want to be stable financially. But hey, do whatever it is you gotta do to make it pay off. No cap. You just get one life, bro. And I know a lot of people like take it for granted and stuff, but I got y'all, bro. You see me doing the grind every single day. I know y'all can too. I'm not no different than y'all, bro. I'm just dedicated to this shit, and I want this shit to work out. So you gotta do it. Obviously, I guess some days too, it's like, I really don't feel like, I don't want to do it today. I still get out of bed and still do this shit, bro. No cap. So whenever y'all are like feeling down about yourself or if you're unmotivated, just come tune in, bro. I got you. No cap. I'll even like make motivational videos for y'all or some type of shit like that. You know what I mean? Come fuck with me. I got y'all. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. how to graduate high school tips and tricks. If y'all fuck with that, let me know. But yeah, guys, have a great day. Join the OG family, and I'm finna get on to my outro. Alright, so thank y'all for watching that video. And if you're new here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn them post notification bells on. Thank you, it really helps me out. And hey, if you stay till the end, thank you. Much love to you. OG fam. Road to 100 subscribers coming very soon. But yeah, guys, without further ado, that's all I got for y'all today. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. We out.